full panel decals. They won't have anything on the front, it'll just be the sticker right on front and a backing paper on back. They're pretty easy to install. You just get them lined up about where you want them. Use a couple of pieces of masking tape or any kind of tape and just lightly press it into the sticker. Don't mash it in, you don't want it to stick too hard. And then use that hinge that you just created to fold it up. And peel this edge back. The back of the sticker will be dark gray like that. Fold it up about an inch, bring it back down, and work your way from the top down. Gently go on side to side. And then once you have it stuck, you can use a squeegee or a credit card to work the rest of the way down. And just take your time and work out any air bubbles that you have. Our decal is lined with channels in the back to help the air escape, so it shouldn't be too bad. That's it, and then at the end just peel your tape off and maybe. That's it, you're good to go.